Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is t power 4 equals 64. We are solving for the value of t that satisfies this equation. So now what we are going to do will be to use this method. I can say let y equals t power 4. So if y equals t power 4, that means this t power 4 here, we will replace it with y. Of t power y equals 64. So from here, I can apply natural log of t power y equals natural log of 64. So from here, I can also have natural log of t power y equals natural log of 64 is simply 8 power 2. That's 8 times 8. Now, if you have natural log of a power b, this equals b times natural log a. So we have y times natural log t equals 2 times natural log 8. As you can see, the variables here are different. So let's make it uniform. Going back to this particular equation of y equals t power 4, I can isolate t by multiplying the exponent by 1 over 4. So we have y power 1 over 4 equals t power 4 raised to the power of 1 over 4. So from here, we have y power 1 over 4 equals t power 4 times 1. That is 4, this over 4. And this will give you 1. So we have y power 1 over 4 equals t. So we come over here. We have y times natural log of t is y power 1 over 4. And this equals 2 times natural log of 8. So if you have natural log of a power b equals b times natural log a. So this will come over this. We have y times 1 over 4 times natural log of 1 equals 2 times natural log 8. Y times 1 over 4, this is y over 4 times natural log of y equals 2 times natural log 8. I can decide to multiply this by 4 and multiply this by 4. So 4 times y over 4, this will give you 4y divided by 4 times natural log of y equals 4 times 2, this is 8 times natural log of 8. So from here, 4 cancelled 4. I have y times natural log of y equals 8 times natural log of 8. Y and y, 8 and 8. So we can compare. That means y equals 8. So let's get back to this equation. We said y power 1 over 4 equals t. Y power 1 over 4 equals t, meaning t equals y power 1 over 4. And y is 8, so we have t equals 8 power 1 over 4. Now from here, remember 8 is 2 power 3. Have t equals 2 power 3 power 1 over 4. Multiplying this out, have t equals 2 power 3 over 4. And that is not all. Remember, if you have a power 1 over n, this equals the n root of a. So now that you have t equals a power 1 over 4, I have t equals the fourth root of 8. So that is our answer. can leave it this way. They are all correct. So let's solve this using another method. So we have this is t power 4 equals 64. Now, because we have 4 here, we raise each part of this equation to the power 4. This will be t power 4 raised to the power 4 equals 64 power 4. Now, we can also say that let this t power 4 represent n, and this will represent n. If you have a power n power m, this equals a power n power n. So you will simply have this t will remain, the m comes inside, and the m goes outside, that is t power 4 equals 64 power 4. So from here, 64 here is 8 power 2, so I have t power 4 power t power 4 equals this is 8 power 2 power 4. Let's multiply this out. F t power 4 power t power 4 equals 8 power 2 times 4 is 8. Now, if you have a power a equals b power b, that means we can say a equals b. So we can also say that t power 4 equals 8. And solving for t, I need to eliminate this. I can have t power 4 raised to the power of 1 over 4 equals 8 power 1 over 4. So this cancels this. I'll have t equals 8 power 1 over 4. And this is just like writing the fourth root of 8 using the same identity earlier on. And remember, 8 is 2 power 3, so we have t equals 2 power 3 power 1 over 4. And from here, you have t equals 2 power 3 times 1. This is 3 over 4. This also is fourth root of 2 power 3. And 2 power 3 is 8. This is fourth root of 8. So guys, this is it. And this is how you can solve this using any of the methods. Now you can check. We have t equals 8 power 1 over 4 or 2 power 3 over 4 or the fourth root of 8. And you have t power 4 equals 64. Let's make use of this because this is the simplified form, the simplest form. You have 2 power 3 over 4, that is for t here. Another 2 power 3 over 4, that is for t here. Then we have 4 equals 64. So if you have a power x power y equals a power x times y, so 4 cancel 4, if you multiply out, that means we have 2 power 3 over 4 raised to the power of 2 power 3 equals 64. And from here, this is 8, so we have 2 power 3 over 4 power 8 equals 64. And from here, 8 times 3, that is 24. We have 2 power 24 over 4 equals 64. And 24 over 4 is 6, so we have 2 power 6 equals 64. And 2 power 6 is 64, and this equals 64. Both sides are the same, so that is it, guys. Thank you and goodbye.